Eisler?
Yeah, for me it's very new to me to really open my heart sa cast, sa crew. Everybody na mula sa writer, director, and then because of this show,
Kasi
uh,
sarili
mas
magda.
maiyak ba ako? Mas nakakuha ko, yung mga kasama ko, hinihila nila ako pataas eh, paakyat. And they're really, like, Direct Lester, the entire team ng Star Creatives, nung miniting nila over this show, they said, Baron, you know, we just want to help you straighten out your life, and we're here to support you. Tapos bonus pa yung nagtutulungan kami, may relationship talaga kami sa isa't isa. Like nung I flew to Japan to shoot a movie, message sa akin si DJ na, oh pare, ilipad ka, huwag ka magalat dyan ha. That really meant a lot to me, di ba? So nakita ko na sobrang laki rin ng changes ni DJ, sure na rin siya. And then si Kuya Ian naman is my mentor, big brother, na kapag may mga questions ako about life, napaka-deep ni Kuya Ian. Kasi sa age, di ba, wisdom eh. Meron pa naman ang wisdom. Peace bro, pareho tayo, ano dito, medyo may edad. Tapos, yun lang. For me, I just want to continue doing my best, giving my all, to be a dependable actor, and to just open my heart sa hindi lang sa show na to eh. Kasi nadadala ko yung good attitude, manners, behavior sa iba pang mga nakakasama kong production. So I really am grateful sa Star Creatives, ABS-CBN, and Direct Lester, everyone. I love you guys, sa buong cast. I love you guys.